Do you want to take your breakfast game to the next level? Then join us on a journey to make the ultimate stuffed French toast. With a crispy exterior and a gooey, delicious inside filling, this is sure to impress. One of the best things about stuffed French toast is the endless options for the filling. For the sweet tooth, try spreading Nutella or your favorite jam on the bread before stuffing it. And if you're feeling a little more indulgent, a cream cheese filling is sure to hit the spot. And the best part is, you can mix and match these combinations to make your own unique flavoring. To start, take one slice of bread and spread about 2 tablespoons of your desired filling onto that bread. Make sure to leave about a 1/2 inch edge all the way around. Take the second slice of bread and press it on top, crimping the edges by simply squeezing your fingers around the edge. Now we need to make the mixture so that we can dip those stuffed sandwiches in it. In a large bowl, we're going to add in 2 cups of milk and 5 large eggs. Start whisking that and add in 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add in 1/2 cup of flour and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And go ahead and whisk that until the mixture is smooth. Now let's head over to the stove and get cooking. I'm using a large skillet, but you can definitely use an electric griddle. Give that a little oil, or like me, I'm using butter. Soak each stuffed slice of bread in the mixture, shake off a little bit, and then add that onto the pan. Cook that bread for about 4 to 5 minutes. Give it a flip carefully, and then let that cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. The trick with the stuffed French toast is to cook it at a low-medium temperature for a longer period of time compared to a normal French toast. That way it cooks all the way through. Finish off your creative stuffed French toast with however you please, and then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.